Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Diecast Motorcycle Unbox, Review and Comparison episode. In today's episode, we're going to be unboxing the Honda BXM-350, which is a Diecast Motocross Motorcycle manufactured by a company called Hong Tai. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a standard window type boxing with all the product branding and information manufactured by Hong Tai. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this open. Well, what we're looking at today is the diecast model of the Honda BXM-350, which is manufactured by a company called Hong Tai that I came across. I was just curious to check on what this motorcycle was all about, so I picked it up so I could take a look at it firsthand. So to begin with, the information on the box states that this is a 112 scale, which it's clearly not, and I honestly don't think that this is even a 118 scale. So stay tuned for a comparison. And with that being said, and at first glance, this diecast replica looks quite decent and is a motocross motorcycle that looks quite good and has a good build quality and also has quite a bit of detailing to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it good looking. This model measures in at 4 inches in length, 2.5 inches in height, 1 inch in width and weighs in at about 90 grams. This model also comes with trademark paint tabs with standard branding details and also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, suspension and a lot more intricate details, which makes this a decent collectible which is functional as well. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the exteriors of this motorcycle. Well, although not premium, I'm kinda liking this diecast motorcycle, but my only concern is will this diecast motorcycle match up with the regular licensed diecast motorcycle? And so for today's comparison, let's take a look at the Yamaha YZF-450MX, which is a licensed 118 scale diecast motocross motorcycle manufactured by Nure. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at this diecast motorcycle and then make a side-by-side comparison and see for ourselves. And by the looks of it, the licensed diecast motocross motorcycle seems to be a little bit bigger in size, but with not much of a visual difference. In fact, the Honda BXM-350 looks like a modified drag style motocross motorcycle, and this minor size difference honestly doesn't bother me, and I'm glad I got this variation so I can add this unique diecast motorcycle to my ever-growing collection. And you do kindly let me know what you think in the comments below. And with that out of the way, now let's place these diecast beauties on the Dnation dyno and check out their wheel spin and their functionality, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding these premium diecast motorcycles in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these Diecast Motocross Motorcycles. And so with that being said, let's place these Diecast models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these Diecast beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Motocross is a form of off-road motorcycle racing held on enclosed off-road circuits. This sport evolved from motorcycle trails competition held in the United Kingdom, and this sport evolved with sub-disciplines such as stadium events known as Supercross and Arena Cross, which are held in indoor arenas. Classes were also formed for all-terrain vehicles. Freestyle motocross events where riders are judged on their jumping and aerial acrobatic skills have gained popularity, as well as supermoto where motocross machines race both on tarmac and on off-roads. Vintage motocross events take place usually motorcycles predating the 1975 model year. Many VMX races also include a post-vintage portion, which usually includes bikes dating until 1983. A number of other types of motorcycle sports have been derived from motocross, such as freestyle, supermoto, ATV or quad motocross, super motocross, sidecar cross, and finally pit bikes and mini motocross. And for further information on motocross, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this amazing diecast motorcycle. And a heartfelt thank you to all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. Kindly continue to support Dnation and stay tuned for more. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot of fun episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.